want to be Iyabo Ojo. Do you know what Iyabo Ojo has gone through? Do you know what I have been through?
Now so Bobrisky tell Iyabo Ojo say person when he no get, he different from person when he get, when he no won't give out at all at all. Hello my wonderful kings and queens, welcome back again to my channel. Yes, so I'm back again with another video. My name na Lady G. In case today na your first time when you come across this my channel and you never subscribe, I beg make you not forget to subscribe and just click that notification bell so that anytime when I trouble bonge gist like this, you know go fit dey miss am. Yes, my correct people, now about this Iyabo Ojo and Bobrisky matter when it dey for ground, something like saga. So in case you don't know who be Iyabo Ojo, na Nollywood actress and she dey mostly the art for Yoruba movie. Some few hours ago, one day ago, now this video come dey go viral when she drop, when she talk say some of her fans they ask her for money, that they beg her for money, something like say make it help them, say they be fans for years, they don't they follow, and so like say na in her right to help them, na her responsibility. The thing not go down well with many people because of the way this Iyabo Ojo make the video. According to her for the video, which I will drop at the end of this my video, if I don't talk finish, make una self say listen by una self. She can't talk say this particular person they ask her money, talk say he want use and pay school fees, he want use and do this, he want use and do that. Say she going be say the person don't they this particular fans don't they follow her for a long time. So she won't be the Iyabo Ojo need to help her. As she can't see the message now, the thing not come sweet her belly at all. The thing come like say he scatter her brain somehow. Now she can't come out, she can't make this video. She can't talk say whether the person when they talk say make it help him because say na fans. If the person knows say he don't tire to be fans, make the person waka. Make it waka. Say she won't be the Iyabo Ojo. She don't send at all. Apart from that one, some of the fans said they talk say they want make them be like her, won't be the Iyabo Ojo. Whether they know what thing she passed through before they talk say they won't be like her. So person like Bobrisky now, she see the video go viral and they talk when people they talk. Now he himself can't shook mouth for the matter. Now he can't talk say Iyabo Ojo is very wrong if she they make this kind of video they try to go meet her fans. Sake of saying now these same fans when you they throw mad go give now them make you nobody know who be Iyabo Ojo before. My correct people are going to drop the right up for now waiting Bobrisky writes. Waiting be the message when you send to Iyabo Ojo. He can talk say without all these fans when Iyabo Ojo they take mark the rough so he for no stand at all. Because according to her, some few days ago, now this same Iyabo Ojo first come out, she can't make one video. She can't tell everybody say this now waiting she go through for her past marriage. Say she see pepper for her ex-husband hand before she come become this celebrity when it be so. Say life not just easy for her from the beginning. So now Bobrisky come make her let her know say if you get all these stories when it be say now the thing now they shake your brain, other people get their own story. For the fact say you don't first sell pure water, for the fact say you don't first get problem for your past marriage, no miss say another person not get his own story to talk just because they are not privileged. That is they not get the opportunity to let the world know. Me I somehow I agree with Bobrisky for there because the way Iyabo Ojo really take come out make that video, when I listen to the video and most things when she talk for them, I don't just like her at all in the sense that one, she did too harsh. Because if you say make you look at Bobrisky still make her still let her understand say these same fans when they talk say if they don't want now make them waka. If everybody talks say they want come on hand for your body, how you want to waka? My people are true because they take and make parable say a tree cannot make a forest. So Bobrisky still make her understand say these same fans when they follow you so for Instagram now make most of them will be the celebrity that they get this endorsement what they get. The more you get more follower, the more you go they get that endorsement, you go they get all those contracts and all those things that they get here and there. So for Iyabo Ojo to they come out to the rub mouth, to the throw mouth, the rough mouth with them, they say make them waka their own. My people, I believe say she make big mistake for them. Because if all these people say they already come on hand for your body, you know go fit stand on your, because according to her, when be the Iyabo Ojo, nobody really know her before. When she come become celebrity, before she dey act or before she go dey show her movie for Yoruba movie for cinema, now these same fans now then they follow them. Without all these fans, who won't follow? If you act film now till tomorrow, who won't watch them? Who won't look? Who know whether you the art movie or you know the art movie? Now these fans now they make most of them when be the celebrity. Now that one I make una see say. During this time when we say this lockdown day, especially that one when they first do when we say the thing hot well for Nigeria, most of all these celebrities that they do give away go, they give all the fans. Why? Because and the thing helped many people for that period. Because that time the thing tough well. It helped many people. If you look at the way this Iyabo Ojo take the matter, if you look at like trade by barter, because most of all these celebrities when they do give away, that they give fans money, that they do all these things. They're not just they give and say because say they get church mind, or because say they're too generous, or they like to give. Most of them that they give for something in return. Most of them that they say, if I give you, you follow me. Because that follow when that they get, they accepted they get their contract. So if I see say any fans, they ask all these celebrities say for giveaway, I don't see anything too wrong for inside, because now like trade by barter, my people, as I talk, make una look the word when I talk, whether I correct. Yes, because they not just they give you go take hand rub face, you go come on for there, they give you something in return. So concerning this particular person, when he ask the Iyabo Ojo say he won't take and pay school fees, I don't see anything wrong for them, in the sense that now school he won't take and go, or he won't take and do better thing. Don't say give me make I go take smoke igbo, or make I go take play gamble. And you when be the Iyabo Ojo, you get the right to talk say you go give, or you not go give. You get right to talk say you not go even answer that person. You go screw pass, you go waka pass, you go face front, you not go look back. Then for you to they come out, they make this kind of video, they throw mad, they give all the fans, say if he don't want, if the person don't want, make it not follow him again, may it not be fans. If everybody cooperates, say they not go follow you again, my people. You go fit stand on your own. This Iyabo Ojo, you go fit stand on the own. You know go fit stand on the own. Because they don't say if this hand wash this hand, like the hand they clean. Because if you look at most of all these celebrities, when they look so, last, most of them, they fall on this fans last you know, they see most of them, some of them self, the way most of them say they end up for the fact say your light they shine today, no mean say another person light no go shine tomorrow. If somebody talk say make you help Pam because say you dey in that position, because oyibo people take and make parable say we rise by lifting other. I don't see anything bad inside. You get the right to talk say you want answer that person, you don't go answer that person, you don't want even see the comment, you don't want even see what that person write at all. Not be to come out they make this kind of video, because even though say you get past before the Iyabo Ojo, I they talk so, even though say she get her own past before, everybody get their own past too. Everybody gets story to talk for this life. For the fact say she come out because say she get the opportunity, she be celebrity, come talk her story to the whole world to hear. Maybe another person not get that opportunity like her, take come out, come make her own story public. Just because that person don't get that opportunity, don't mean say that person don't get story to tell. You feel even listen to that person's story, you go see say this Iyabo Ojo na learn, now they learn for there. Everybody gets story to tell, my dear. So the way she take come out, the Iyabo Ojo make that video, this something is very wrong and it's very harsh. And I support Bobrisky for the things when in talk. Yes, in talk say without all those fans, then self not go they get the contract and the endorsement and things when they get. Now these fans now make them celebrity. Now make can see most of these celebrity for Instagram and also give away. They give in the sense that they take and they buy them, not because say that they give because they really won't give, or they still get the money safe. Because most of all these celebrities, most of them are fake life, most of them they live. If you dig into their matter, you'll say most of them, not the way they look them, not because them be. So for that aspect, when Iyabo Ojo they talk, say somebody say it won't be like, did you know what I've gone through? What have you gone through? Everybody get what you don't go through. Person say it won't be like you, self now privilege, because those people self when they say they don't want to copy people, they talk say they won't be like you. Make una self see they take an easy, because now don't know waiting that person even be safe. If that person get different thing when you don't take hand touch, now don't know what you don't take hand touch before you come out, come they do like say in get this, in get that. If they talk say you won't be like, and you go still be like that person, you will be like that person finish, you will inherit everything. So make una dey mind waiting una dey talk say I won't be like this person, when you don't even know that person, who that person will be, what he take hand touch before he can't be who he be. Make una dey mind the kind I claim it. It's your portion, it's not my portion. One are they tap, people bless one are they tap into. Make una dey careful. Not be everybody blessing, not being claimed. I see the whole thing. The real thing really not sweet me for Bella, in the sense that because those celebrities, most of them they see follow on these fans last. Now they see most of them last, most of them go come they sick. They go even come to be say now the same fans now they will come they beg. Now they see them, now they see most of them the way that they end up. Not be the same fans, not that they run to. Most of the fans that they help, most of them see they help them at the end. So my people, if he be say he did the position, this is Iyabo Ojo did the position to help now, or maybe in the flying colors now, not me say as it better for you today, not go better for another person tomorrow. You doing the position today, not me say another person not go better for tomorrow. Everybody get his own time. There is time for everybody. As my grandmama talk, he talks say everybody motor there for inside market. Who money complete, you go carry his own. Now be all these celebrity, now their money complete, now they go carry their own. Another person money go complete tomorrow after he don't gather and finish, go carry his own motor. So my people, I don't know what you now go talk for this matter, and the way I see him now I say present and to now. So now my mind now and self talk. So say this Iyabo Ojo be like say go remake that video, you not just talk and well at all, because make you not let all these fans make them not join hand together, do I make a show logo for your head. If you be say you be that kind of celebrity when be say you know, say your hand tight, say your hand be like Atakanya, it better you go register for all those STG Men Association and make you go join them. They who know the group when you day. Not be to come here today for take one leg stand for here, take one leg stand for here. I be my people are not talking well. So I go hang the matter and the story for here. I go see you now for my next video when I go to take from now. Just drop your own comment below at the comment section how you see the things, how you see the matter, what do you think? Leave your own comment. So my correct people, don't forget to subscribe. If you be say today now your first time when you come across this my channel and you like my video, just click that notification bell, share and like. God will bless you so that anytime when I throw bonge just like this, you know go feel the missing. And for my returning subscriber, my followers, that is people when be say that they follow me. Anytime when be say I drop video that they help me, they watch and God go bless you now. I appreciate you so much. I will see you very soon for my next video. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.
You want to be Iyabo Ojo? Do you know what Iyabo Ojo has gone through? Do you know what I have been through? You don't know the half of it. And you can never know the half of it. I don't want to. Some of you have not even worked 1 year. You have not said, I'm in school. I want to pay. I want to. What are you doing as a full-time student when you know you don't have a support system? When I went to school, I went for part-time because I was working so I could pay for my school fees. Why do you have so much self-entitlement? I'm your fan for so many. So what if you're my fan for so many years? Must I feed you? Do you know how many people I feed? Do you know how many people I feed? You're my fan does not give you the right to tell me that I have to give you money because you're my fan. Probably you should not be my fan again.